Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming Photoshop is closed and Auto Recover was enabled. This matters because recovery files only exist when saving options are on. Next, make sure you can view hidden files and folders on your OS, since Adobe stores temp and recovery data in hidden directories. Once done, locate the Auto Recover and temp paths from Preferences File Handling. Note the scratch disk location. And do not launch Photoshop yet. Avoid overriding any existing recovery files. Now you search for candidate files. Look for files named with Auto Recover, Photoshop Temp, or extensions like PSB and TMP. Use your OS search filtered by date and file type, and check Adobe version-specific folders under App Data, Library, or /TMP. Once you find files with recent timestamps, copy them to a separate folder. This preserves originals. Make sure to note file sizes and names. Larger files are likelier to contain your image data, and copying prevents accidental data loss while testing. You open the duplicated file in Photoshop. If it's a TMP, rename it to PSB first, then use File Open. Once it loads, immediately save as a new PSD in a safe location, then inspect layers, masks, and smart objects to confirm integrity. Make incremental backups as you fix issues. If opening fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to check file permissions and ensure the recovery copy is not 0 bytes. If permissions block access, change them or restore from a system backup or time machine instead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.